Once I saw a little bird come hop, 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 and I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? I was going to the window to say how do you do when he shook his little tail and away he flew. Hello kids, I hope you liked yesterday's video. Yes? Okay, so today we will be talking about parts of the body of birds. So let's start. This is a crow. You can see, kids, this is a crow. So kids, can you see the parts of the crow? Body parts of the crow? Yes. This is a forehead. This is an eye. This is a beak. This is an eyes. So children, these are feathers. You can see children, feathers. These are legs. These are legs. And this is a tail. This is a tail. Do we have tail, children? Do you have? I don't have. Good, we don't have a tail. This is a parrot. You can see the parts of the body of parrot. Let's see the body parts of the parrot. So children, you can see this is the beak. Beak is in red color. This is an eye. It has two eyes. Parrot has two eyes. Now this is wing. So children, it has two wings. They can fly with them. This is a tail. It has only one tail. So do we have wings, children? Can you fly? No, we can't fly because we don't have wings. And children, you can see its body is covered with feathers. इनकी जो बॉडी होती है पूरी कवर होती है feathers से. Okay children? It has two legs. So children, you can see this is a feather, real feather. This is a real feather of bird. You can see this is a feather, real feather of birds. Which bird is this, kids? It's very beautiful. Yes, this is a peacock. You can see children, long neck. It has long neck, beak, two eyes. These are feathers, wings, and so beautiful feathers are here. You can see. This is a tail. Tail is full of feathers. And these are legs. These are toes. So kids, do we have feathers on our body? Do we have? Come on, think and tell me the answer. No, we don't have feathers on our body. So kids, you can see real feather of a peacock. Can you see? It looks very beautiful. Now children? Kids, take out your World Around Me Bee book. Open the page number 20. Birds. So kids, this is a kingfisher. Kingfisher has a long beak. You can see it has a long beak. And children, two eyes, legs, wings. Hana? Yes. Now this is a sparrow. This is a pigeon. This is a goose. Goose has long neck. Now children, this is a hen. It has two eyes, now feathers, wings. Children, they can walk with the help of their legs, and they can see the things with the help of their eyes. Now you can see children, this is an owl. We can't see the bird's ears, but here we can see owl's ears. You can see two ears. Yes. Two ears you can see children, two eyes, one sharp beak, and these two wings, feathers, now legs, toes. Children, with the help of the wings, they can fly. Now, this is an ostrich. Ostrich has a long neck. You can see. So children, it has also two legs, two wings, feathers, two eyes, one beak, forehead. So kids, these are the parts of the body of the birds. This is a kingfisher, sparrow, this is a pigeon, this is a goose, this is a hen, this is an owl, this is an ostrich. Children, take out your Be an Artist book. Open the page number 30. So children, can you guess which bird is this? Can you tell me? Yes, you can see this picture, and now tell me. Correct answer. This is a hen. This is a hen. Hen is also a bird. So children, what we have to do here, color the hen using crayons and paste feathers on it as shown. So children, we have to color first of all this hen, and we will get these feathers from this packet. Take out your brown color from this box and let's start coloring. So in this part we have to fill brown color. So children, I'm going to start. You can see how I am doing. You can see children, and be careful children, don't go out of this shape. You have to fill the color in this shape only. Kids, in this part we have to fill yellow crayon. So let's start. Yes, you have to fill like that children. So kids, these are feathers, body parts, and here this is a beak. You can see children, two eyes, and here you have to fill red color. These are the parts of the body of the bird. Orange beak. Now children, I don't have slaty color, so I'm using black color. If you don't have, then you have to use your black color. If you have your slaty color, so you can use your slaty color. So these are wings, and this is wing. It has 2 wings, children. Kids, as I told you, you will get these feathers from that one packet. So what you have to do, you can see these feathers we have to paste over here. So take out your glue, put like that, and you have to paste your feathers. Kids, you have to paste these feathers like that. It looks so beautiful now. Yes or no? Yes, I like it very much. So kids, complete your work. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.